Roadster to take a look at Unique Specialty and Classics. And hey, it's not a Ford, 1932 Chevrolet Roadster. This is a glass-bodied car. It's actually built by Class Glass and Performance out of Maryland. It is riding on a tubular chassis by Mertz Frames out of Pennsylvania. Powered by a Crate 350 engine, and that is paired up with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. And as you can also see, it does have the tri-power setup on it. It is running off all 3 carbs. The carbs are actually built by Charlie Price in Florida, and does have a low-car throttle and kickdown linkage to it. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the undersides, interior, trunk, close-ups of the engine, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Does have 15-inch wheels up front, 17s in the rear, and those are Boyd Coddington 5-spoke. It also has front disc, rear drum brakes, as well as a rack and pinion steering. It is manual rack and pinion steering. Up front, you can see the blinkers have been built into the front bumper. It does have chrome tubular control arms, as well as chrome coilover adjustable shocks up front. And you can check out close-ups of that in all of the still pictures. Lots of polished aluminum, chrome up in the engine bay. Nice car to display in any of your local cruise-ins or roll-ins and local shows. And you can see the paint also shows nice on this. Now, as far as this build, according to a previous owner that had this car quite some time, it has a little under 3,500 miles on it. The odometer is accurate since the build. It reads 3,496. At that time, it was a crate engine, and the tranny had been rebuilt when put into this hot rod. So that's kind of the miles on it. Has a teased seat with leatherette vinyl covering it. And as you can see, seat belts up front, VDO gauges. Those all do work. There's your tilt column. Could be an I Did It or a Flaming River. Not positive on that one. Does have a tilt column in it. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Coming around to the rear, you can see the dual exhaust. Also, 10-bolt rear end to this one. It also has chrome coilovers at the rear with 4-link suspension. Give you an idea. And again, you can check out the still pictures so you can see all of that underneath this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Riding in Goodyear radials, actually Eagle RSAs. And again, paint up and down both sides of this, whether it be the body, the frame. Very showable condition, no doubt about that. Well cared for car, but not a lot of miles on it since the build either. So let's go ahead. We're going to fire this up so you can hear it run. Check out these gauges. See how it looks. All right. There we go. See how the gauges did come up. Except for, of course, temperature. This is a cold start. Tax working. Voltage, fuel, oil pressure. I'm going to warm up just a tad bit here. Alright, miles, if you can see that over here. There's your odometer, and it's really tough to see. There you go, 3,496. And you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures also. And then right below that odometer, right down here, is the headlight switch, I believe a choke, and where the actual key is. Alright. A little low to that idle. Got a cam in her. What a hot rod should sound like. Alright, let's flip up to the front.
Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And also here, from up here. And again, we are running in all 3 carbs. Straight 350 paired up with a turbo 350 automatic. A nice setup. Fan shroud, aluminum radiator, lots of polish and chrome on here. Keep her shiny. Headers. Great looking engine bay. And again, Chevy 32 Roadster. There you go. See, it runs out pretty smooth. There you are. You're looking for a nice Roadster. Not a lot of miles on it. 1932 Chevrolet Roadster. 350 powered. Turbo 350 automatic paired up with that. Riding on some Boyd Coddington wheels. Looking sharp. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in